Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the smaller dolphin ornaments in Heartopia. So I do have the leaping one, but I don't have the surfing ornament. I do have the really big one, as you can see here. Wait, where is it? Oh, here. And the other ornament, I think, is here. Yeah, it's this one. And basically, you get it from the gift box that they give you through their troughs. And the gift box looks like this. So this will be sitting next to their trough if they give you a present. So do make sure to feed them every single day, even though you've reached level 5. If you want that ornament, I really want it because it's pink. Hopefully I get it, but I will keep feeding it until it gives me that through gifts. They are fixing it right now because so far I've only gotten raspberries and ores from their gifts, but they are fixing it today, I believe. So yeah, just keep feeding the dolphin and hopefully you'll get it. They'll be here still for 16 more days. So you have 16 days to feed them. So make sure you do that even though you've reached level 5 because it's not guaranteed you'll get it once you have reached level 5. So yeah, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.